Hi everyone. In our last video, we covered how to open Focus. The link is in the description if you missed it. Today, we're diving into how to upscale images with Focus. Let's get started. Click on the Select Input Image option to get started. Pick an upscaling choice from options like Upscale 2x or Upscale 2x Fast. Click on Advanced to adjust settings. Under Performance, I'll be using Speed, but you may choose Quality if you're looking for the best output results. Click on Drop Image here to open a window where you can select your photo. Choose your image and click Generate. After clicking Generate, give it a moment. Focus will process your upscaled image. Once the image is ready, click on the Download button to save it. And here we have it, our first upscaled example. Notice how beautiful and sharp the image is. Let's try another image. Choose the next image you want to upscale. Hit Generate, and Focus will process this one too. After a few seconds, click on Download to get the final result. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.